Okay, friends, now continuing from where I left you all in my previous lecture, uh, one thing I would like to tell you all is that when I compiled the previous program and I then run it, then there are certain files which came into existence. And these files are there in your bin folder, ctc bin in my case. So what are the files which I have after the first successful running? The file which I saved as first.c, it is the file which is having all my lines of code. Okay, then it is the first.obj file object file. It is the intermediate code. Actually, it's not simply the compiler which translates the code, but there are several other steps, and in those steps, and there is a file which is generated, that is the obj object file. This is the first.pak file. This is the backup file. In case you lost your .c file, you have this file as a backup. And certainly there is one more file which you all should know, because this is something which you all would like. Actually, by writing all these files, what we are doing is that we are creating a software, because you all know that you all install softwares in your computer, and all those softwares are just lines of code, instructions given to the computer. And um, suppose you purchase a software, it is having the .exe extension, all the files which we write in C after being compiled as a software, uh, get the .exe extension. And when I double click this, what I would get is output which I got on the console screen as when I was running the previous program. Okay, so this is something which all of you would like. I guess all of you should like. Okay, now coming back, let's just keep them down. And then okay, and one more thing I would like to do is that I would like this file to be saved as saved as first dot cpp, because I want to explain each and every basic. I don't want to leave anything which uh, you all should know. Okay, so my purpose of saving this file as .cpp is that when I save this file as cpp and I just remove this line of code stereo.h. Okay, let me cut this line. I'm cutting this because I would need this line once again. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to save this and then compile this once again. Oh my god, you can see that there is an error. Okay, let's see what the error is. The compiler says that it doesn't know what printf actually wants to do. It is not having the prototype of printf because it was the line, the header file which I had included previously, which was telling the program about the printf statement functioning. And similarly, if I just cut this line of code, and I would like to save this once again and then compile. Oh my god, I'm getting two errors this time. You've noticed that there are two functions, clrscr and getch, and both of them are not having their prototype reachable by the compiler, just because I didn't include the file which had the prototype. So I just want to roll back my mistakes and then save this. Okay, then my purpose of this particular video is quite clear to all of you, that now when I'm going to I don't remember that I have, sorry, saved it or not. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to save it once again and then compile and run. So you'll see that now the program is free from errors. So thank you.